Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, our SIM card slot is at the bottom. So, we need a little pin and we need to insert this pin in this little hole until it pops out. Yes, now we remove the tray. We have SIM slot here and SIM slot here. This is a dual SIM phone. So we need to match the shape and insert it back to where it was. And now we can make calls. Our SIM card is now active. Done. Thank you. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.